Hey guys, to set up parental controls on iPhone, use the built-in screen time feature in settings. So go out to the settings, find screen time, okay? And you can manage content, communication, app limits, downtime, often with family sharing group for remote management or by tapping your child's name under family. Okay, and under family, right? And then what you gotta do, configure content and privacy restrictions here, right? By just turning it off, or excuse me, turn it on, so your kids won't be exposed to a violent or unnecessary or adult content, right? So you can set up here screen time for family, add the child's name, and then configure the app content and privacy restrictions in your own free time. Set the app limit, the allowed apps, or always allowed, and when is the limit like. So yeah, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.